Imagine a place where your Industry 4.0 smart factory solutions are displayed to manufacturers around the world for 365 days, 24/7. Welcome to i4verse.com, where our goal is to connect qualified vendors with the key decision makers. They visit the site to gain knowledge about required solutions, where they can do a power search, find solutions, and connect with the vendors. So i4verse.com provides a platform for vendors who can share or post their content, generate leads, and also can showcase their comprehensive profile, so that it's easy for the manufacturers to connect with them at the right time in the right way. Our website is visited by the manufacturing community, where they can learn more about various technologies and solutions available in the smart factory world. On i4verse.com, you can list your solutions, post videos as well as written content, and showcase your unique value prop to potential clients. Our commitment is towards improving manufacturing and making factories more efficient. Ready to showcase your solutions to the right audience? Create a listing on i4verse.com or talk to us to learn more.